Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unhide multiple rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then create your sheet or open your sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now you can see here are many hide columns and row. Now I unhide these columns and rows. Select this entire sheet, then go to home menu and click format drop down menu. Now you can see here are visibility, hide and unhide. Click it and you can see here are unhide rows. Now I unhide these rows. Again go to format menu, then again go to visibility, hide and unhide. Now I unhide columns. Now you can see I unhide multiple rows and columns in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.